My name is Leon van Wersch, Executive Director of Aachen Dental Laser Center.
My name is Rene Franzen, a physicist originally. I have also a doctorate in theoretical medicine, and I work as one of the scientific directors at AALZ, the Aachen Dental Laser Center.
My name is Dimitris Strakas, and I'm a general dentist. I'm coming from Greece, and I'm working with lasers in my practice since 2002, when I started my Master of Science in Aachen Dental Laser Center. I'm also the head of the laser clinic in the operative dentistry department of Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, and I'm one of the scientific directors of Aachen Dental Laser Center.
My name is Yusuf Sidqi. I'm an assistant professor of orthodontics and the head of Dental Laser Center in Misr International University, Egypt. Also, I'm an academic co-worker with Aachen Dental Laser Center.
I am Miguel Martins from Portugal. I work in the Netherlands, and I am a specialist in endodontics, where I use my lasers for root canal treatments on a daily basis.
Our mastership courses are held in many countries worldwide.
Egypt?
From South Africa.
I'm from Romania.
From Israel.
I'm from Spain, but I'm based in the UAE.
I'm from Taiwan.
This is not a company course. This is not an academic course. This is a real university course. And that makes also that you get a university certificate which is approved.
We have used now all these many years to improve our curriculum several times, and now in 2023 we are reinventing the master program again.
That gives everybody the tool and the power to work more efficiently with lasers on their practice, help themselves give state-of-the-art treatments to their patients, and also make the experience of dentistry to their patients better.
AALZ is the pioneer and leading educational institute in the world of laser dentistry.
I learned a lot, I gained lots of experience. I can now call myself a laser specialist. I got this badge.
It was such an amazing program. We had the most amazing lecturers that came down to South Africa.
And open up my eyes towards what difference we can make in people's lives with lasers. It's phenomenal.
When I started the course, it was something that I didn't really know what was going to happen, but when I started learning about the lasers, I realized that I could change the way I practice.
I had the privilege to work lots of cases and I gained lots of information.
I absolutely loved it.
I would like to invite you to assist to all our education programs. Unfortunately, lasers is not only about lasers, but yes, also about education. So you need to invest not only on the equipment, but also on yourself.
The courses we are offering are including Laser Safety Officer courses, Mastership and Fellowship programs in laser dentistry, and our brand new Master Professional in Laser Dentistry executed at the Sigmund Freud University in Vienna, Austria.
Two big programs, a mastership, a one-year program where dentists can join, opening their horizon, introducing them to the top-notch technology of laser dentistry.
In no other place you can find this level of detail, of high level of lectures, and of course the dedication and the love for the topic from our professional lecturers.
If you want to improve your skills, if you want to be an expert, if you want to be outstanding in your dental profession, if you want to improve your daily dental therapy, go for our Mastership in Lasers and Dentistry.
I'm really excited to belong to the team of AALZ. That is a great team. We are very good friends, and we are able to share all our passion and our life with you guys.
I hope we can meet in our educational programs in laser dentistry worldwide.